Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need an unlocked iPhone and a recent iOS build. Once ready, back up to iCloud or your computer so changes are reversible. Now open Settings and go to General, then Keyboard. This is the control center for autocorrect and text replacements. You'll see toggles and a list of shortcuts. Start here because the options you change affect every app. Once done, make sure you can reach text replacement and autocorrection quickly for the next steps. You'll toggle autocorrection off if it's mangling your words, or on if you want fixes. Check spelling highlights mistakes while predictive offers suggestions. Next, tap text replacement to review entries. Delete any that force wrong words and edit shortcuts that conflict with your typing. To teach the keyboard, use Add New to create personalized corrections or abbreviations. This improves accuracy across apps. Once you finish editing, test in Notes if learned mistakes keep resurfacing. Reset the keyboard dictionary from General right arrow, reset to clear custom learning. This removes persistent autocorrect errors. After resetting, update iOS and reboot because many keyboard bugs are fixed in system updates. If you still see issues, install a reputable third-party keyboard to compare behavior and make sure to test in several apps. One key troubleshooting tip. If autocorrect behaves inconsistently, recreate the problem in Notes, and then reset or restore from your backup to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.